Hello everyone, today we'll be learning how to make a quick and easy onion sambar. This does not have a lot of vegetables, just onion and some basic tomatoes, but this is very yummy and very easy to make. So let's start. First, we're gonna take 1 cup of tur dal and wash it and bring 4 to 5 whistles. See the consistency; it should be very thin and totally mashed. You can also use this kind of tool to mash it further, or you can blend it. But I prefer using this. Now take 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm using olive oil. You can use either vegetable oil or coconut oil or ghee as well. Now put 1 teaspoon of rye and 1 teaspoon of methi seeds. Now we're going to put 1 teaspoon of hing. Now we're going to add 7 to 8 curry leaves and 3 red chilies. You can also use dry red chilies. Then mix them all together. Don't let them burn. Now I'm adding 7 to 8 onion shallots and 1 chopped onion. You can either just add shallots or just the chopped onion. Both are fine. I just like to mix them up. Now add at least 2 tablespoons of dhania powder and 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri red chili powder. You can also add normal red chili powder as well. Now mix them up and let the masala soak in. Now I'm adding a puree of tomato, which includes 3 medium-sized tomato, or you can use 2 large tomatoes as well. I just roughly dice them and blend them in my blender. Now adding some salt as per taste. Once all the masalas have mixed up, I'm adding a little water from the blended jar. And now I'm adding tamarind paste. This is a ready-made Dabur tamarind paste, but you can also add tamarind water at this point as well. Since I just had the paste, so I used it. Now mix up everything nicely on medium flame. Let the masalas and the tamarind bulb soak up in the curry that we have formed till now. Once everything is cooked, add the mashed tur dal into it. Now once everything is mixed up, we are going to add at least 2 cups of water so that it can cook well, because now we will have to simmer down the gas and let it cook for at least 20 minutes so that everything is well mixed up. You can further thin or thicker the consistency as per your liking. That's totally subjective. Then put on a lid and let it cook for another 20 minutes. Post that, if you feel that if it's very watery, then let it cook more. If you think it's very thick, add some more water and cook it further until you get the desired consistency. Finally, garnish it with some coriander leaves. Now finally our sambar is ready. Serve it with some hot idlis or some dosa along with some coconut chutney, and this is the final look. Enjoy!